Folks, we got something different for you today. We're coming into summer all over the globe. Now, this is a small table dipping down in right on the edge of the tropics, right here on my take on home and garden. Okay guys, something different is brewing in the tropics, and it's this glorious south of the border lime green tablecloth 100% cotton in the damask style that we're using today. Then I want a gold, rustic gold charger, and our light celery avocado green plate, dinner plate. And the star of the table today, you've only seen it once, some of you have never seen it. Made in West Germany for Neiman Marcus. This incredible set. Glorious gold-rimmed fruit salad plates. Look at this combination, guys. I cannot even wait myself to get this together. That's our wonderful inspiration right there. Now, you know we gotta have a centerpiece, and I do want a gold medallion because we're gonna be elegant here. Now, in the tropical flavor, I love this pineapple jar, and it'll really make sense to you why I wanted this, because some of the fruit plates have a pineapple. Now I'm using this fiddler fern that you've seen before, and we're going to have probably the most basic floral arrangement ever. You won't be able to say you can't do it kind of an arrangement. Lemony, sage. Oh, look how cute already. I think just, let me change that out. 3 fiddler fern might be enough. You know, I like that odd number. And I like those different heights. You see, it really gives interest. And I want this cluster in the background for some dimension and some interest. And that kind of goes with this tropical philodendron-like leaf, okay? And again, that's mostly background. And this beautiful Phalaenopsis, hopefully I'm saying it right, orchid. Look at this, guys. That is the arrangement for today. Very tropical and simple. There's 7 pieces in here. That's it. All right, folks, and yes, some of you don't miss much. I did add another fiddler fern because the one got lost in the back. And let's get these chargers on. Why do we love a charger? Well, it helps push over our theme. They come in several colors, sheens and styles. You can get metal, copper, silver. And let's look at our napkin today. We're going with that natural linen in a gold napkin ring. Grab the rest of those beautiful celery green plates. You remember where they came from. Just thrifted those. And I had about 3 tables in mind when I saw them. That's the fun. Look at them here. Now we're almost shadowing the tablecloth. Now look at the salad plates, the pineapple. We have pineapple. Now you get why I wanted that vase. Coming into focus a little better. Just love all these. 2 of them have a repeat. I was so happy and tickled to get these. I got them online and they were not a thrift. Let me tell you, not everything can be a thrift if you want it. Let's go with that nice cheese and cracker, maybe right there. Now we have a wonderful lemon dish, but today it's full of pears. We want to change it up and be different, right? We've been on the lemons. Alrighty. Bavaria again in the cream and sugar. We're going to have a knife facing the plate. I love green and gold together. This is really getting cute. Okay, so if you've been with us, you know I'm going to yap about the forks on the left. Dinner fork is taller. Salad fork is next. The round table does mess with you a little bit. So you're allowed to go around and check your setting. We're going a bit Bavarian again, believe it or not. Not necessarily so it matches the dinnerware, no, but just listen to this and see what you think. We're going to have a wine claret and we're going to have a cordial. So we're having a mix of things for supper. Anybody make the shepherd's pie? It's out of this world. With a rich brown gravy underneath. Oh my goodness. Now the German part comes in with dessert. The German chocolate cake with caramel swirl and coconut. Off the chain, guys. Oh my goodness. I'm getting hungry already. Look at this table. Now we have an ancillary piece. I like to tease them with a loose piece of fruit. We gotta have an after dinner mint, and just for some art, we got Paulie. Okay, I wasn't gonna this time, but I think I'm gonna take you and show you all around. Alright folks, so if you liked our table today, Tropical, feel, give us a like, a share, a comment, send your friend over. Tell them we have a lot of fun here and they're gonna get to see elegant. You know it. That's why you're here and we thank you for it. You can follow us on Instagram and we care about all our subscribers. Get some fresh air and some sun and we'll see you in the next over the top, exciting decorator video.